Welcome to SPARKies. Let's learn about formatting tables and inserting pivot tables in Excel in 3 minutes or less. With just a few clicks, it's easy to turn a bland table of data into a formatted table with filter capabilities. Changing a standard data table into a pivot table allows you to analyze data in multiple ways quickly and easily. Let's start with formatting a table. Highlight the data you want to convert into a formatted table. Then, from the Home tab, click Format as Table. Choose the look of your table, then click OK to select the range. You now have the ability to sort and filter your table. Now let's look at converting a standard data table into a pivot table. Start by highlighting the data set, then go to the Insert tab and select the icon for Pivot Table. The range will auto-fill. Click OK to open the pivot table in a new worksheet. You can drag the different headings into rows, columns, filters, and values depending on the way you want to review your data. And the beauty of pivot tables is you can move things around until it's just what you need. Still have questions about formatting tables? Contact your digital integration specialist.